So if you haven't heard what's happened to Quant, Quant has been making some big moves in the markets, guys. Now, unlike its crypto friends out there, of the 20,000 plus out there, that's been basically doing the opposite. This cryptocurrency has been doing amazing things and pretty much killing it. Here's their website, guys, quant.network. It is a really good website if you want to learn more about this cryptocurrency. It's really one of the top ones in the top 100. One of the cryptos that actually has a real use, not like many other cryptos are just either meme or just a tokenized version of another crypto. But let's get into some more details. Let's check out the charts when it comes to Quant. So if you look at Quant, Quant has been basically rallying since that $44 and now sitting at 160 bucks. Now, I've talked about this cryptocurrency in previous videos, especially about this move down right here, this move up right here, and what is my plan. So one of my current plans that I'm already positioned in this crypto, but if I have to see this from like current market standpoint of where it is right now, and I have no previous positions, this is a place that I would see as a target right here. So this would be like the high target right here if it can hit this point, since I need to make a gain on my on my trade. And for me, I don't like to hodl so much, but when it comes to this zone that is possibly going to be entering, this right here is a lot of space that I think is going to be hitting up, repeating this a little bit, this previous tops, then possibly making another correction. So there is some space that is going to be doing. So I think if it hits the high of like, to say $200, and if it's $200, it might make a correction down. People are going to sell off, take some profits. It's like if you look at it, we're on the weekly right now. That's where I like to see trends. And if you see that there's a couple weeks up, there's going to be a little dipping point. That's where people are going to start accumulating, and then people are going to start selling off. And if you see a big sell-off because of the wick happening up here, and then it might collapse back down a little bit, then possibly in the next coming weeks, it might build up to hit up to that 200 plus level. But for me, if I have to enter in right here, I would have to enter twice for my trade, have a target profit up here. So if it does go up and then blast on through, just say hypothetically speaking, just say it does something like this, it goes up and this beeline all the way up to here, then what I'll do is lock in my trade and let it run. But if it doesn't do that, I think the most likely thing that will happen is that it's going to hit up here and basically make a correction and then another entry down. But let's look at some other supporting information about this, because Bitcoin is a big driver of all the markets. If Bitcoin does something, then pretty much most cryptocurrencies follow, right? So we'll look at Bitcoin on the daily, and this is something that's important because it made a massive good candle that I like. I love hammers, and hammers are good candle where it shows good reversal. So this thing made a candle on the daily, so it might head up higher, adding more fuel to the fire to Quant, adding more fuel to the fire to most cryptocurrencies out there. Maybe not like outside the top 200, but it might, have some fuel to the fire, making it go up higher. But let's look at some of the previous videos I talk about this. So here's the video I made on September 17th of it making that little bounce. So you want to check that out right here. And I made other previous videos about Quant talking about. So I've talked about this in multiple videos. Cryptocurrency is very interesting, very different than others. It has some actual use, kind of like Ethereum. Has some actual use to it. But I do see it going higher. I'll say if I have to do like two price predictions, if it can hit the $200, create a pullback, then after that pullback, I can see it hitting up to 260s. But if it blasts on through, it might hit the 200 and 260s, but then collapse down for a bit. But two different scenarios. If it's wrong currently and it just heads back down, it's another possibility. But you need to plan out your scenarios in your head, or like write it down to see how much can I win, how much can I lose. Just basically plan that stuff out prior to just jumping in. But let's get to some details about Quant. Rank number 31, 222,000 people's watch list. So a lot of people looking at this, possibly coming up to the same conclusion or a different conclusion. At $159.92, up 3%, and currently on the daily. Now, what is Quant, guys? Okay, so Quant was launched in June 2018 with the goal of connecting blockchains and networks on a global scale without reducing the efficiency and interoperability of the network. It is the first project to solve the interoperability problem through creation of the first blockchain operating system. Now, if you want to learn more, obviously head to their website, guys. But if you guys want to find exposure, get trading, hodling, uh, just go to their marks position, which I have linked in the comment section below. I'm sorry, in the description box below. And his basically all the platforms where you can trade, hodl, get leverage on the cryptocurrency if you're into all that. But besides that, if you guys want to look at some relevant news when it comes to Quant, go to the Twitter page. Twitter's like the best place to, in my opinion, to find out news about a cryptocurrency or about an asset. Just check it out right here, guys, and get all the information you need. I think they have some good videos stuff too. And I think they have a YouTube channel. So don't quote me on the YouTube channel though. But check that out. Also, guys, if you want to learn more about trading, go to my website, andrejmcclinton.com. I'm updating it, from time to time, adding some new videos to the programming list for people who want to use MetaTrader 4 and 5. If you want to learn more about education, I do have a free education that I'm building, so you guys can learn more about trading, more about just getting into the markets and economy for free. And if you guys want to learn more about the economy, just check out this tab right here. I got a whole bunch of stuff. I'm currently building the states, so it takes me a long time to do this. So if you have any questions or comments, guys, let me know. You guys can contact me at the box down here, or just email me directly. Just go to the YouTube link, stuff like that. So here in YouTube, go to About page. You guys can email me and check that out. But besides that, guys, please like, share, and subscribe. Help me get to 2,000 subscribers. And I'll see you guys next video.